Alright, so they say you cannot fix a blown subwoofer, and I didn't want to believe that, really. So, went out and bought a bottle of this Lexel, the superior alternative to silicone, and applied it to said subwoofer in my car over here. Oh, wait. My car. This is my subwoofer. Oh, Rockford Fosgate, whatever. And as you can see, applied around the entire ring of subwoofer because it was all blown out. And yeah, let it dry for about a day. Very interesting. Now, of course, it doesn't have the same quality per se as when it wasn't wrecked, but still works. So, alternative to duct tape is my video.